Welcome to the men's elevated grooming system. Alright, so this is going to be a video breaking down each product and how to use it. Step 1 is going to be after splash. Step 2 is going to be afterglow. Step 3 is going to be castaway. Step 4 is going to be a moisturizer. And step 5 is going to be your pomade. Alright, so I just got a fresh shape up, you know what I'm saying? Fresh shave and all of that. So what I'm going to go through is all these methods and steps with you here and show you exactly how to use it, okay? So after a fresh shave, I have a clean face. I'm going to start with the after splash, which is the aftershave. And what this is going to do is help prevent me from getting any type of ingrown hairs. It's going to help clean the skin, purify the skin, right? And that's exactly what we need after a fresh shave. It's going to cleanse the pores. So what I'm doing is I'm getting a little cotton drop, a cotton swab, and I'm dropping some on the edge with the dropper. Alright, close that back up. Use a cotton swab. I'm just going to go around my face, around the shaved areas. And this is going to break down any heavy oils, grime, grease that is on your skin or stuck in your pores. I just took a fresh shower, I washed my face and everything, and regardless of, no matter how much I clean my face, whenever I use this, I always end up with something on the swab, right? So this is perfect. It breaks down the things that regular soap can't break down. Alright. This is the after splash, aftershave. Okay. Make sure I hit my shape up. Boom. So that's one side. On the other side, or you can use a fresh cotton swab if you want. For me, I just use the other side. This is step 2. Step 2 is the afterglow. Afterglow is going to help lock in that afterglow. Literally what it sounds like, right? So now this is going to condition your skin. This is a skin toner, right? So this is going to help with the fine lines, the enlarged holes that we may have in our faces. Usually when I'm shaving you guys, I see that a lot. The bumps that we do have, it helps get rid of the bumps that we do have. The dark spots, it helps clean up the dark spots that we have as well. So with this, same thing. Always shake it well before every use. Take some, just dab it on a cotton swab, put it to the side, close it back up. Everything is nice to keep it in a nice cool place to preserve it. Alright, so same thing. Come like this. The after splash has that nice fresh sting to it, that alcohol sting to it. Not as strong as, it don't hurt, you know what I mean? Alcohol sometimes, you know, got that burn to it, but sometimes that shit be hurting, I ain't gonna hold you. So it's a little bit more soothing than alcohol, but you still get that sting that everybody likes. This one is soothing. It's scented as well. Like very, very lightly scented with like clove and camphor, slight peppermint, not too much, but it's nice and refreshing. This is gonna help bring moisture back into the skin. There's some aloe in this as well. Lactic acid, a few other things to even out the skin tone. Right, all of the ingredients is in this brochure. You guys, everyone's gonna get a brochure. Everyone that gets this product is gonna get a brochure, and in this brochure it breaks down all the steps as well. Step 1, step 2, which I just did, and then we're gonna go through step 3, step 4, and step 5. Okay. So everyone gets the brochure. This is the inside of the brochure. And this is the outside of the brochure. Okay? And You scan this code right here to get access to these videos. Alright? Put this over here. Okay. So we just went in with the afterglow, right? The skin has been moisturized, it's been refreshed, it's been rejuvenated. I feel good, my skin looks way more vibrant. So I have these little bumps. One bump right here, and there was one right here that started to go away. Right, so when you have those bumps or you have any like breakouts or fungal spots or anything like that, that's when you come with the Castaway. So Castaway is the antifungal balm, and it's the advanced skin repair, right? So you just take a little bit and you put it on the spot, whatever spot it is. Take a little bit, put it on the spot. Take a little bit, put it on the spot, right? So if you got some shit under your beard, just put it on the spots, right? And you gotta, the thing about these, you stay consistent with it and you're good. Gotta stay consistent. Y'all got a problem with staying consistent, but I got something for you. I'm planning on making like some type of AI system where I can just generate you guys, like generate reminders. So let's say in the morning I can tell you guys, yo, remember to use the after splash or whatever. In the nighttime I can let you guys know, yo, remember to use the afterglow. You know what I'm saying? And then the moisturizers and the pomade, similar. I can let you guys know when to use that, things of that nature. Okay? So a Kingz Lavish moisturizer and a Kingz Lavish pomade. This is how you keep your crown polished, right? So after you went ahead and went through steps 1 through 3, which is the afterglow, well, after splash, then afterglow, use the Castaway on any bumps or any skin spots that you want to target. After that, you come in with your moisturizer and your pomade, right? The pomade is mostly used for like styling. Let's say if you have curls, braids, or anything of that nature. 360 waves works amazing on 360 waves. All right, this is what you're gonna use so you have a healthy hold. Right, so no more gunk, no more chemicals that you can't spell, no more things that you can't consume, right? Because one thing I've been telling my clients ever since I started making these products in 2019 was if you can't consume it, you shouldn't be putting it on your skin. Right, so all my products are 100% all organic. You can consume it. It probably won't taste enjoyable, right? It probably just won't have any taste to it, right? Because there's no sugars or any add-ons or anything like that. So it would just taste like raw ingredients, right? But at least you know it'll be safe. If anything, it'll be vitamins for your system. Not telling you to take it, but just saying that you wouldn't put Murray's, right? That's a pomade. You wouldn't put Murray's in your mouth. You wouldn't put Blue Magic in your mouth. You wouldn't put the Cantu shea butter that they sell in the store in your mouth, right? But you can trust some shea butter that I got on your lips, right? You can trust the moisturizer and all that stuff in your skin and your lips, right? Because it's not going to do anything but add to you, okay? So when you're using a moisturizer or a pomade, you want to use it when your hair is either dry or damp, closer to dry. But you don't want to use it when your hair is moist or you just fresh out the shower and it's dripping, because oil and water don't mix, right? A lot of these is oil-based, wax-based, things of that nature, and with oil and water, wax and water, they don't mix well. Okay, so for me, right now, all I'm gonna need is just a moisturizer. When I go to get my retwist, my style, that's what I'm gonna use this. If it was winter time and I needed something stronger, I would also use this to lock in moisture throughout the whole day. Okay, but right now I just need this moisturizer. Yeah, so my hair is not dusty and crusty like you guys that don't have my product. So you work it in. You just get it all in your hair. Make sure you get your crown. Right, to each their own. If you have short hair, you work it in really well. Those with locks, long hair, you guys use a good amount. Make sure it's all in there. And you're good. Just keep working it in. Hair is instantly conditioned, shine, smells amazing. So that was a full tutorial on how to use men's elevated grooming system, steps 1 through 5. I appreciate you guys for being here. Rewind any of these videos anytime you need to rewatch anything. Feel free to ask me questions. I'm always here. A text, a message away. Peace.